Good morning, students. Today we are going to do active and passive voice. This is very important topic, so listen to me carefully. Voice is that form of the verb which indicates whether the subject is the doer of the action or something is being done to it. For example, Namita sang a song. In this sentence, Namita is subject, sang is verb, a song is object. Here we can clearly see that Namita in the above sentence is the doer of the action, verb is sang, and a song is object. When the subject of a sentence does an action, we say that the sentence is in active voice. When the subject is not the doer of an action but something is done to it, the sentence is called to be in the passive voice. For example, a song was sung by Britney Spears. So, this sentence is in passive voice. In this sentence, in active voice, Britney Spears sang a song. Britney is subject, sang is verb, a song is object. A song was sung by Britney Spears. In this sentence, a song was sung by Britney Spears. While making active into passive, we interchange subject in place of object and object in place of subject. Now let us see the features, how to change this. While changing a sentence from the active to passive voice, the following points have to be remembered. The object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. जैसा कि आप देखेंगे एरो बना करके जो दिया हुआ है, एग्जाम्पल नमन किक द बॉल. दिस सेंटेंस इज इन एक्टिव वॉइस. The ball was kicked by Naman. This sentence is in passive voice. It means हमने जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट था उसको हम जहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट था वहाँ पर ले गए और जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट था उसको हम जहाँ पर हमारा सब्जेक्ट लिखा हुआ था वहाँ पर ले आए. इन द अबव एग्जाम्पल नमन वॉज द सब्जेक्ट इन सेंटेंस विच इज़ इन एक्टिव वॉइस. ही इज़ द डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन. In sentence B, the ball is the subject but it is not the doer of the action. The subject of the active voice is expressed as by plus agent in the passive voice. In the above example, Naman was the subject in active voice but in the passive voice he is the agent. So we write by Naman in the passive voice. The form of the verb is changed according to the tense. For example, Kanak writes a letter. Now this sentence is written in present tense. So this is active voice. Kanak writes a letter. While changing it into passive, a letter is written by Kanak. Now we have some pronoun changes also in the sentence. How can we do it? I will change to me, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them. You will remain you, it will remain you. Okay. In active voice, I, we, he, she, it, they, you. In passive, they will be me, us, him, her, them, you, it, in this manner. So while changing a pronoun from active to passive, we have to take care of these words. Like I will convert into me, we will convert into us, he will be him, she will be her, they will be them, you will remain same, it will remain same. In the same way, how to change tenses while making active into passive voice, we have to see the tenses also. Now you can see on the table that simple present, it means bake, bakes. We have to identify the verb in the sentence, whether the verb is written in simple present tense, or it is in past tense, or it is in future tense. Simple present, bake, bakes, will be is, are, baked. We always use V3 form of the verb. Present continuous, is, are baking, is, are being baked. Present perfect, has, have baked, has, have been baked. Present perfect continuous, has been baking, it will remain same, no passive form of this. Simple past, baked. Here we are using V2 form of the verb, so it will convert as was or were, it depends upon the subject.